Hi, in this video, you learn Indian traditional dairy products in which butter manufacturing process, butter or also called as makhan, which is the traditional Indian dairy product which is very popular. Its production process, definition and the name of the equipments which are required for the production. These are the all points are discussed in this video. First, definition of makhan or the desi butter. Desi butter, which is prepared by the natural fermentation or lactic acid fermentation of cow, buffalo, or mixed pasteurized milk, in which after the pasteurization of that milk convert into the curd, and that curd is churned by the using high speed mixer, in which emulsion is break and produce the butter is called as makhan or the desi butter. Desi butter in which the natural fermentation of milk into curd and then churning process. Then second one is the table butter. In which table butter, which is the prepared from the pasteurized cream obtained from the cow, buffalo or mixed milk. That means first milk convert separated the cream by the centrifugal separation, and after that this cream is used for the butter production with or without ripening process. Ripening, that means the fermentation process by using the lactic acid culture, and it's added with the common salt, anode color, and maybe added with the diacetyl as a flavoring agent is called as a table butter. Next, third one is the white butter. White butter, that is, it is produced from the pasteurized cream which is obtained from the cow, buffalo or mixed milk. That means milk first separate to the cream, and after that cream pasteurization process, and then the cream is converted into the butter by using the high speed continuous butter baking machine, in which the high speed churning of the cream to convert the into butter, in which without addition of any preservatives, common salt, any other coloring matters and the flavoring matters, is called as a white butter or also called as a cooking butter. Basically, whatever the makhan, desi butter, that means the table butter, white butters, or maybe cooking butter, that means whatever the butter which is prepared from the milk, free from any other animal fat, waxes, animal oils, vegetable oils. As per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, the fat content minimum requirement in the table butter is 80%, and in white butter or also called as cooking butter, at least 76% fat content requirement. The moisture level for the table butter is maximum 16%, SNF 2%, and the common salt is 3%. These are the specifications for the table butter and the white butter. Desi butter, which is prepared by the milk, is converted into the curd, in which mostly first full cream milk is used for the preparation of the curd. This milk is first pasteurized, and after that the cooling addition of the starter culture, and then inoculated with the starter culture. After that incubation to convert into the curd. That curd added with the chilled water and high speed churning process to break the emulsions and resulting formation of the desi butter, and whatever the buttermilk is formed, which is the separated and resulting we get the desi butter. The second one is the white butter. White butter is prepared by the specific equipment which is called as a continuous butter baking machine. In this continuous butter baking machines, whatever the milk is first separated the cream, and after that cream separation process, the cream is chilled and fed into the continuous butter making machines. In the continuous butter making machine, there is the specific stages in which the first high speed churning, then addition of the salt, and then working process to whatever the high speed churning resulting emulsion is break and convert cream into the butter and buttermilk. This buttermilk is separated and resulting white butter which is then converted into the again working process to uniform distribution of the moisture, and then after that they are packed by the specific requirement in which the by using extrusion machines to convert into the specific shape of that butter, and after the packaging they are hardening and the storage. In the continuous butter making machines, the cream is fed into the in these machines, and which in the first step in which high speed churning, resulting high speed churning, cream is converted into the granules butters and the buttermilk. After that, this buttermilk is separated into the second stage, in which the specific there is a should provision with the perforated screen to separate the buttermilk from that butter. And after that, the addition of the chilled water to wash out the whatever the presence of the remaining constituent is wash out. After that, this butter is fed into the working sections. There should be the provision with the and then again working to whatever the moisture content which is reduced by butter is passing through the perforated screen due to the uniform distribution of the moisture into the butter, and excess of the moisture which is the removed in this working of the second stage, and finally we get the butter. That means in continuous butter making machines, milk cream is converted into the butter with a specific removing of the whatever the excess of the moisture containing and addition of the salt process, that is the table butter manipulation process, in which first milk is converted into the cream by the cream separation. After that, the pasteurization process, then chilled to the refrigeration temperature and loaded into the continuous rotating tumbling mixer, in which the specific rotation cycles are specifically provided. First, loading the milk cream, then close the doors, then continuously churning, in which the emulsion is break formation of the uh, butter. After the formation of the butter may be washed up, and after that, the addition of the salt as per our requirement, salt addition, then preservatives, color additions, and then again the continuously working. That means the rotation. The finally whatever the butter is made, which is the remove from this tumbling mixers and feed for the next working, that is the specific extrusion machines to convert into the specific shape for the packaging, and finally they are packed and stored under the refrigeration conditions. These are the references used for this preparation of the PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion you will learn how the butter manufacturing process is carried out. Thank you very much.